sanitation, and human rights. Human rights. Now, what comes into mind is access. Access to toilets. Now, when talking about access to toilets, these have to be 1. Safe. 2. They must offer privacy. 3. They must be dignified. And in this case, without discrimination, that means this is for all. So when you hear sanitation for all, the reference is made to this. But what we have to understand that regardless of sanitation being for all, it must ensure that there is healthy living, and then we have also to talk about environmental safety. So this is where the issue of public health comes in. So whenever you hear any definition about sanitation and human rights, this is what they are trying to break down. Things to do with access to these toilets. From the access to the toilets, when talking about access to these toilets, they must be safe, dignified, and also there must be an element of privacy. So that brings us to the end of this definition in relation to human rights.